In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose or flip rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is a really handy technique if you need to reorganize your data for better analysis or presentation. Let's dive into it. First, go ahead and open your Google Sheets document. This is where you'll be working with your data. If you don't have one set up yet, simply create a new sheet. Having a clear workspace will make the process much smoother. Once you're in your sheet, start by highlighting the rows you want to transpose. For this example, let's say you want to transpose rows 1, 2, and 3. To do this, click and drag your cursor across the row numbers to select them. This means you've selected all the data in these rows, getting ready for the next steps. With those rows highlighted, right-click on the highlighted area. You'll notice a menu pops up with several different options. From this menu, find and click on Copy. This action will copy all your selected data, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere in a new arrangement. Next, move to cell A7 in your spreadsheet. This is where you'll paste your transposed data. Click on cell A7 to select it. This step is crucial because it sets the starting point for where your data will be flipped and reorganized. With A7 selected, right-click once again to bring up the action menu. Here's where things start to get interesting. From this menu, hover over Paste Special. You'll see a range of additional options appear. Among those options, you'll find one labeled Transpose. Click on Transpose and watch your data now flip its orientation. The rows have now become columns, and the columns have become rows. This simple action reorganized your dataset, providing a new perspective without altering the original data location. Remember, if anything goes wrong or you need to revert, Google Sheets has the handy Undo button, which can quickly take you back a step. Do take note if there are any formulas involved, as the transposition might affect them and require some minor adjustments. And there you have it. Transposing data in Google Sheets is a quick and efficient way to change your data's organization, making it easier to manipulate and present. Give it a try on your dataset, and you'll find how this nifty feature can simplify your data management tasks. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering Google Sheets and other tools. See you next time, and happy data organizing.